going on, everybody, and welcome to our channel. Welcome to Gabriel the Plumber. For today's video, we are going to hydrojet a sewer line. We're gonna do sewer inspection. It looks like the customer complained of a lot of tree roots in the sewer line, and she had the line rod multiple times. I believe that all of those times they pull out a lot of roots. It looks like their plumber told them that they needed hydrojetting. So, well, she gave us a call a few days ago. We helped her schedule the appointment, and we're heading that way. We are located in Skokie, Illinois. That's my dad. He's also a plumber right in front of me. Alright guys, we'll be back with more. Thank you. I forgot to say that today's Saturday, November 13, and it looks like we have arrived. Looks like that's the customer's house. Alright, we're walking towards the house. Alright guys, so we are here, and right now Gabriel is in the flow control system. So he just removed the cover for the flapper. We got the ejector pump. Right now it looks like the customer is complaining that the basement toilet's not flushing. Like I said, she had this rod multiple times, and she requested hydrojetting. We're gonna do sewer inspection first. We're gonna put in the camera through there. Hopefully you guys can see it. Okay guys, so right now we found the clog in the sewer line. It looks like the problem is inside the house. It looks like we got a soft clog. There's a whole bunch of roots. So right now we're going to locate where the problem is. And I don't know if you guys can see, we're 101 feet inside the sewer line. Completely clogged. Alright guys, so we got the jetter machine here. We got the General JM 3000. And Gabriel is warming up the machine. What we did here is we got 110 feet of hose. We mark it. Alright guys, so we are almost done with the hydrojetter. We feel that it's not catching all the roots. It definitely got the majority of the roots already, but we're gonna use the chain knocker to get rid of the roots completely. So Gabriel is measuring to the size of the pipe. And we're almost done here, maybe another hour to go. We're hoping not to have to rod from the house coming this way, just to avoid any mess and any more work that we don't have to do, to be honest. So this is a chain knocker from Bridget. Right now, before we use the chain knocker, we're gonna hydrojet from the check valve going to the city sewer. hopefully you guys are enjoying this video. Please like and subscribe. Most likely this is gonna be our first video, so we're hoping that, you know, we're gonna be able to record a lot more for you guys. So hopefully you guys are enjoying. And in this cold weather of Chicago, what's the temperature? My good guess the temperature is around 30s. Okay, espérame. Ok.
¿Listo?
Listo.
Háblame.
Vámonos. Ahí está. A ver, regrésate. Ok. Tantitito, una pulgada más. Cuidado, con cuidado.
No quiere, ¿ah?
If the water level is good, now we're going to put this camera back in the flood control system. So we're gonna put the camera from outside coming inside the house. We're getting ready here. So far we're flushing toilets, we're running water inside the house, and that floor drain that you guys saw in that laundry room is not overflowing, so I think we got the clog. Alright, so we've been here for almost, I think just past the 2 hours actually. Alright guys, so right now we just capped the clean out. So far so good. We put a new cap in there, 3.5 inches, brass. Alright guys, so this is a small portion that we got out of the sewer. So this is some roots, but we flushed a whole bunch more.
Ground and
So dirt with a little bit of dirt, but mostly roots.
okay.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you.